So in this video, we're going to talk about Robinhood, and they are going after the traditional banking services. In recent weeks, they launched their Robinhood Gold, where if you deposit X amount of dollars, you get some type of return, beating, again, what traditional business and banking services can provide. Now, before we get into the analysis on the charts, let's actually get into the most recent news, because they are also giving customers additional benefits if you open up an account. So Robinhood Markets, the brokerage firm renowned for commission-free trading, is set to introduce a suite of banking services aimed at retail investors with modest portfolios. The new offering, branded as Robinhood Banking, will provide checking and savings accounts featuring a 4% annual percentage yield and FDIC coverage of up to $2.5 million through Coastal Community Bank. Now, initially, Robinhood Banking will be exclusive to Robinhood Gold subscribers, with plans to extend access to all customers in the future. In addition to banking services, the company has unveiled Robinhood Strategies, a platform offering personalized investment portfolios comprising of exchange-traded funds and individual stocks. Furthermore, Robinhood plans to launch Robinhood Cortex, an AI-powered investment tool designed to provide real-time market analysis and insights. So, as you can see, Robinhood is making money moves. Now, this is the weekly chart, but I want to zoom out to the monthly chart first. So you can see that we have all-time highs at that $85 level. We have a recent top at roughly $67, and price is currently at $41.92. And on the way up from the lows of about $8, price zoomed up to that, again, $68 before retracing. Now, one thing to note is Robinhood is highly correlated to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And so this pullback is just the pullback that mimics Bitcoin. And if you are a believer in interest rates going down, then be prepared for the next impulse move higher. Now, again, this is the monthly buy level, and that was established from this rally, this basing candle, and the rally out. You pull back, and we did see a reaction as price dipped as low as $35, now trading roughly $6 above that level. Now, let's go down to the weekly chart. And what I love about levels is typically there's other levels as well. So this rally-based rally, well, that is a weekly buy level. So just below this monthly zone, you have a weekly zone. Now let's zoom down to the daily chart, because this is where things get interesting. You can see the short-term momentum to the upside is over as price broke through that and closed below that short-term uptrend line. But if you put things into perspective, price is going to move higher once we get a trend line break above this downtrend line. So what do you think? Is Robinhood a buy longer term? Are you buying on a pullback? Leave me a note in the comments. One other thing to note, again, these levels are amazing to go long. You have the 200-day moving average entering this zone here, and that's also going to serve as dynamic support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.